This is them trying to make sure it doesn't fall on the power lines. If it falls on the power lines, we have no power. There's my power line right there. This is preparation for solar. But they had to clear enough trees out to get the southern exposure to the sky. This is a little nerve-wracking. I probably shouldn't be out here watching this. Oh, shit. You should have cut the other trees out of the way first. I don't care if you knock down those other trees. They're cedars. It's not a big deal. Do not let that fall backwards. Let's see how long I want to keep this video going. All right, he's going to give it another shot. This is creativity for sure, but bind that saw up if he's not careful. Because he's putting forward pressure on the tree with the skid steer. A bold dude. It's all about to go. That's the thing with trees. You just got to sit there and reason through it. Logic your way through it. Try to figure out where is it going to fall, what's it going to do. And watch yourself very carefully. You just had some kick out. There goes the tree. Oh, thank God. Okay, we're done.